Welcome to this Wood Solutions campus presentation on the most simply processed of timber products, timber rounds. This presentation describes the type of timber rounds generally available, their main applications, and the major relevant standards. After a log is recovered from the tree, it can become a useful round product with potentially minimal preparation, or be milled into other wood products. A tree stem is naturally a tapering round column. Timber rounds are the simplest form of timber product. They include logs either in their natural form, usually with the bark removed, or shaved into cylinders.
Logs from the forest can be used as they are. However, some of them have a very low durability, so they can then be treated, which means chemicals are introduced into the wood, which then increase their service life considerably and open up a whole range of applications that the log would previously have been unsuitable for.
The sapwood of all species has low durability but will accept preservative treatment. Rounds and poles need to be treated when they are exposed outside or placed in ground contact, or when the sapwood is susceptible to insect attack. There are many applications for timber rounds in and around buildings and civil construction. Rounds can be processed into columns and beams in buildings and bridges, utility poles and piles, and elements for landscaping, agricultural, and other applications. Large timber rounds can be prepared and used as columns or beams in buildings, or as beams, corbels, and trestles in bridges. If high strengths are required, these are often hardwood rounds. Treated timber rounds can be prepared and used as utility poles for electricity and other services, piles for supporting buildings, bridges, and other structures. These are often hardwood rounds.
These are hardwood logs, and they've been treated to be used as utility poles for electricity. This is radiata pine posts that have been produced from recovered logs out of the forest. They've been cut to length, they've been shaved, that means the bark has been taken off to give us a tapered pole, and then the material has been treated with chemicals which increase its service life. That means these poles, having been treated, will last a lot longer than a pole that isn't treated. These ones, they're all destined to go to the agricultural industry, and they'll be used predominantly in fencing.
Other applications include posts and poles in decks, walkways and bridges, landscaping and retaining walls, and a wide range of agricultural and aquacultural applications. Shaved and treated timber rounds are available in various lengths and sizes, from diameters as small as 75 mm to as large as 300 mm or more. They can be treated from H3 to H6. AS 3818 Group for Standards covers the structural grading of many round timbers. Building poles are graded to AS 3818.10, Timber Heavy Structural Products, Visually Graded Building Poles. Utility poles are graded under AS 3818.11, Timber Heavy Structural Products, Visually Graded Utility Poles. AS 1604.1 Specification for Preservative Treatment, Sawn and Round Timber covers the treatment levels required for round timber. In summary, the simplest form of timber product is a natural or cylindrical timber round. Rounds can be processed into columns and beams in buildings and bridges, utility poles and piles, and elements for landscaping, agriculture, and other applications. A large variety of sizes and lengths are available for each product type. AS 3818 Group of Standards covers the requirements of many structural round timbers.